Namaste student. Today's our topic is doctrine of Aul or Rad. In case the total sum of the specific share allotted to various shares exceeds the unity, then the doctrine of increase Aul comes into the application and the specific share of each share is reduced in an approximate manner. The proportionate share reduces in the following manner. 1. By reducing the shares to a common denominator. 2. By increasing the denominator to make it equal to the sum of the numerators, allowing the numerators to stand as they are. For example, the doctrine of Aul can be explained with the help of an illustration where a woman dies leaving behind her property, then the property left after paying for her funeral expenses, debts and legacies are distributed among the shares. A husband of the deceased woman under her two full sisters are alive and fall under the category of sharer. Then husband will be entitled to half of the property of the deceased, and the two full sisters will be entitled to 2/3 of the property. Total of half and 2/3 will be 7/6, which exceeds the unity, and hence in the case the doctrine of increase or Aul will come into application. The first step would be to reduce the fraction of the shares to a common denominator, thus half plus 2/3 is equal to 7/6 is equal to 3/6 plus 4/6. The fractions are reduced in such a form where 6 is the common denominator. The second step would be to increase the denominator to make it equal to the sum of numerators and allow the individual numerators to remain the same as they were. Thus 3/6 plus 4/6 will become 3/7 plus 4/7. In this case, the denominator is made equal to 7 because the sum of both the numerators is 7. Hence, with the help of this doctrine, the total sum of the shares of the property of shares are reduced in a proportionate manner and become equal to unity. Doctrine of Rad. If residue is left after distributing the property of the deceased amongst the shares, but there is no heir of the deceased falling under the category of residuary, the residue of the property reverts back to the shares in the proportion of their shares. The right of the shares of revert back of the residue property to the shares in absence of the residuary heirs is called as the return of doctrine of Rad. The doctrine of return, according to this doctrine, under the Muslim law, the residue property returns of the shares and not to distant kindred. In absence of any heir under the residuary category, if there is more than one share, then the property should be returned in the proportionate share, and if there is one share, then the whole of the residue property should be transferred back to the sole sharer. The residue cannot be transferred to the distant kindred because according to the rules, the distant kindred do not get anything so long as there is a sharer or residue alive. Exception is the doctrine is that neither the husband nor the wife is entitled to the return so long as there is another share or distant kindred alive. Thank you so much.